Vancouver Island researchers are on the cutting edge of a new science. It's a way to make trees stronger, better, and resistant to crippling diseases like BC's pine beetle battle. They're called super trees, and today the province is announcing millions of dollars in new funding to take super trees to new heights. Tess Van Straten has a story.
The big one.
Super-sized trees are one of the things BC is famous for. But soon, the size won't be the only thing that's super.
So we freeze it and then we can grind it.
Vancouver Island researchers are on the cutting edge of a new science, a science that can grow super trees, trees resistant to devastating diseases and insect infestations. Infestations like the mountain pine beetle in northern BC that's destroyed a large swath of forest.
It's getting further diluted.
But now, University of Victoria researchers are using proteomics, basically looking at the structure and function of proteins to determine where trees are vulnerable long before there's a problem.
We can look at the trees, we can determine these molecules which are in the trees and which really help us to define the defense mechanism of the trees against, for example, against the pine beetles.
The groundbreaking research could have such an impact on the future of forests. The BC government is investing $2.25 million, matching an endowment by the Ricks Family Foundation.
We're expecting big things.
And not just on the forestry front. By taking the study of proteins to new heights, this tree study could also have implications for human health care and early diagnosis.
The study of proteins, proteomics, is one that has a broad spread opportunity here in British Columbia, everything ranging from dealing with issues such as high blood pressure or diabetes, out to mountain pine beetle, and even thinking about how do we grow trees faster and sequester more carbon.
By absorbing more carbon, super trees could help protect the environment on a massive scale. With an estimated 60 million trees in BC, growing trees to diffuse double or triple the amount of carbon each year would go a long way to reducing our environmental impact.